Anong tawag nito? Rearranging or ano?
Renovating because
Renew?
it looks new eh.
Yes.
Different na eh.
Iba na yung room niya, guys. Look, nawala na yung bintana, nawala yung window, and she has her new vanity. Ang pangit naman ang nasa salamin. Ayan, may bago na siyang vanity, and may cabinet siya sa yun. Anong tawag ng cabinet na to?
There.
Basta ganyan,
It's a
cabinet.
cabinet where I
Yes.
can put my bags.
Yes. Ano yan, Dai? It's her way of moving forward.
That's what you like.
So, what are you gonna do next? What's your next project?
Next is I want to travel the world.
With me?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
That's good. That's very good. You should be broken always. So when you travel, I can go anywhere I want with you.
Yes. It's time
Yes.
to find.
That's so very good of you.
Alam mo bang hindi madali sa aking maiwan na mag-isa. Lalo na sa panahon na kinakailangan pa kita. Wala na ba akong alaga para putulin ang bigla. Hindi na ba mababalik ko sa tayo nagsimula. Alam mo ba ang kakarapin mag-isa kong ang kinakatakot. Kaya bigla nang dumating na hindi ko inasahan na mawawala na lang ng biglaan ka sa aking paningin.